Good morning, students. How are you? Today is your GK period, and today we will do another topic, birds. As you can see here, there are so many birds. First of all, we will learn about the names of these birds and the speciality of these birds. Okay. Now, starting from the first bird. This is peacock. Peacock has very beautiful feathers and it is called a national bird. Okay, this is peacock. Next is crow. Crow is of black color. Next is cuckoo. This bird's voice is very sweet. That's why it is also called a singing bird. Okay, cuckoo. Next is sparrow. Eagle can fly very high in the sky. Penguin can swim in water also. This is crane can swim also in water. Swan is of white color and it can also swim in water. This is cock. Next is duck. Next is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. Amongst all these birds, ostrich is the largest bird. This is pigeon. This one is parrot. Parrot's beak is always red in color and parrot can speak like a man also. Okay? Like human beings. Parrot can speak like human beings. It can mimic human beings. Next is owl. Owl also can see at night. That's why it is called a night bird. Okay, kids? Let's revise it again. Peacock, crow, cuckoo, sparrow, eagle, penguin, crane, swan, cock, duck, ostrich, pigeon, parrot and owl. Okay, and now let's move to the question answers. After learning the names of these birds, you have to learn the question answers also. Now move to the question answers. First question is, which is our national bird? First question is, which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. This one, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Next question is, which is a night bird? As I am saying, I have said before, which is a night bird? The owl is a night bird. It can see at night also. Okay, that's why it is called a night bird. Which is the largest bird? The ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. Next is, which birds swim in water? Which birds swim in water? Swans, ducks and penguins. Swans, ducks and penguins swim in water. Next is, which bird is called the singing bird? The cuckoo is called the singing bird. This one, cuckoo. Okay? The cuckoo is called the singing bird. Okay, kids? You have to learn the names of these birds and learn these question answers also. Okay? Okay, kids? Bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care.